Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Victorinox Escort 2. And the reason this is an Escort 2 instead of an Escort, well, I'll show you. Anyway, the Escort is a little bitty teeny tiny knife. It's a 58mm knife. This box is starting to fall apart. Anyway, it's a 58mm knife. And it's got tweezers, as you would expect. Tweezers and a toothpick. If I can get it out. Tweezers and a toothpick. And it's got the... Get it out. I'm having a tough time today. It's got the nail file and small flathead screwdriver. The thing that makes it interesting is the normal Escort has the traditional pin blade like from the Victorinox Classic. The Escort 2 has a super cool little like rescue blade. Now, I don't really know how much rescuing you're going to be doing with this particular little blade, but I mean, like, I appreciate the thought. I mean, like, I think that it's at least interesting looking. You get a different, you get a different blade style, which is kind of cool. Now, again, I don't know how much rescuing you're going to be doing with this, but it's sort of a neat little knife. And if you're looking for like an insanely light knife, this thing weighs like slightly more than half an ounce. So it's very light. You could easily hang it on your keychain and have it pretty much disappear. It's at least an interesting alternative to the Classic. Like if you don't like the scissors, you don't like having the nail file and the blade on the same side, that kind of thing. You just don't want to. You want to go as super light as possible. And this is pretty light. Now, Escort 2 is a little bit difficult to find. It's not super hard, but I mean, like there's ones floating around. But if you want an Escort, I'll include a link to the Escort. You can find them on Amazon for, I don't know, 12 bucks or something, 14 bucks. They're real cheap. And I'll also include a link to the Swiss Army Knife wiki page that talks about the Escort and the Escort 2, just so you can check them out for reference if you want. Anyway, it's kind of a nifty little knife. And, I mean, if you're trying to be a super minimalist, you can do a lot. I mean, you can do a huge amount with a knife blade and tweezers and a toothpick and the little nail file screwdriver thing. So, it might be like a good knife if you're trying to sort of ease someone into carrying a knife. I don't know if you can call it a gateway knife, but maybe a gateway knife? Anyway, let me know what you think. And if there are any cool Swiss Army knives or other little gadgets you think I should check out, let me know in the comments. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.